Dear friends, the ringing of protons is a delicate but mesmerizing phenomenon in the grand ensemble of the universe, where celestial bodies dance to the tunes of fundamental particles. This phenomenon, which is frequently overshadowed by the celestial glories that fill our night skies, holds the key to understanding the very material of our existence. In this video, we will go on a journey to discover the secrets hidden within the vibrations of protons in the universe. Protons, as we know, are positively charged subatomic particles residing within the atomic nuclei. They are the building blocks of matter, and their role in the cosmos is far more profound than meets the eye. Unlike the grand symphonies composed by composers, the ringing of protons is silent to the human ear, but it echoes through the vast cosmic expanse. Protons are not solitary notes in the cosmic opera, but rather cohesive chords that resonate with various celestial bodies. When we talk about protons ringing, we're referring to the vibrations they produce, similar to a musical note. These vibrations, known as the cosmic hum, are so delicate that they must be detected with extremely sensitive instruments. Scientists have discovered that protons, when subjected to various conditions, such as extreme temperatures or the powerful gravitational fields of massive objects like black holes, emit specific vibrations. These vibrations are unique to each proton and are the result of its energy state. It's like every proton has its own musical signature, contributing to the celestial symphony. Understanding the ringing of protons requires delving into the fundamental forces that govern our universe. Protons are held together within the atomic nucleus by the strong nuclear force, one of the four fundamental forces of nature. This force is responsible for the proton's stability, but it also influences their vibrations. In the grand composition of the cosmos, gravity, electromagnetism, and the weak nuclear force all play their roles. These forces interact with protons in unique ways, leading to a symphony of vibrations that reverberates throughout the universe. The ringing of protons is, in essence, a manifestation of the cosmic interplay between these forces. Just as a skilled musician can differentiate between various musical notes, scientists can use advanced instruments to distinguish the different vibrational frequencies of protons. Each celestial body in the universe, from the smallest asteroid to the mightiest black hole, has its own unique gravitational field and temperature. Consequently, protons in different cosmic settings emit distinct notes, contributing to the grand symphony of the cosmos. For example, when a massive star reaches the end of its life and explodes in a supernova, it generates an incredibly intense burst of energy and temperature. This, in turn, causes the protons within the star to ring at a frequency unique to this cataclysmic event. Scientists can detect and study these proton vibrations, giving us insights into the death throes of stars and the creation of elements essential for life. The study of the ringing of protons is not limited to astrophysics. It has profound implications in the field of quantum mechanics, which deals with the behavior of particles at the subatomic level. Quantum physicists have been intrigued by the notion that protons can exist in multiple energy states simultaneously, akin to a chord being played in multiple octaves. This concept, known as quantum superposition, challenges our understanding of reality and raises questions about the nature of existence itself. In essence, the ringing of protons serves as a bridge between the macroscopic world of celestial bodies and the quantum realm of subatomic particles. It is a reminder that the universe is a grand, interconnected symphony where even the tiniest particles play their part. As we delve deeper into the concept of proton ringing, it becomes clear that the universe is the ultimate composer. It organizes the interactions of particles, forces, and cosmic events, resulting in a billion-year-old cosmic concert hall. Every celestial event, from the birth of a star to the collision of galaxies, adds its unique notes to this ongoing composition. Protons, like dedicated musicians, faithfully emit their vibrations, contributing to the grandeur of the universe. Guys, this is today's video. Thanks for watching it. Also subscribe the channel.